In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make product pictures rounded corners in Shopify. This is a really simple way to give your online store a more modern, polished look, and you don't need to be a developer to do it. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, log into your Shopify account and go to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin area where you manage products, orders, and themes. Make sure you're on the correct store if you manage more than one. Next, on the left-hand side, go to the section where your themes are listed. Find the theme you're currently using on your storefront. On the theme you want to edit, look to the right for the three dots icon, usually next to the Customize button. Click on those three dots to open a small drop-down menu. From that drop-down, choose the option that says Edit Code. This will open the code editor for your theme. Don't worry, we're only going to touch one file and add a small piece of code, so it's quite safe, especially if you follow along carefully. If you want to be extra cautious, you can duplicate your theme first, so you have a backup. Once the code editor is open, look at the list of files on the left-hand side. Scroll until you find a file called base.css under the assets or similar folder. Click on base.css to open it in the main editing area. This file controls a lot of the styling for your theme, including things like fonts, spacing, and in our case, image styles. When base.css is open, scroll all the way to the very bottom of the file. Click on a new empty line at the end of the code. This is where we're going to paste our custom CSS for the rounded corners. Now, go to the link in the description of this video. That link contains the exact CSS code you need. Open the link, highlight the code provided there, and copy it. Go back to your Shopify code editor. Make sure your cursor is still on that new empty line at the bottom of base.css and paste the code you just copied. Once you've pasted it, click the Save button in the top right corner of the editor and wait for it to finish saving. When that's done, go back to your themes page and click Preview on your active theme. This will open a live preview of your store. Navigate to a collection or product page and check your product images. You should now see that your product pictures have rounded corners. If you don't see changes immediately, refresh the page or try in a private browser window. That's it. You've successfully added rounded corners